Hi guys, this is English class. So today we are going to talk about chapter apologizing. So when did you last?
Can say like I apologized yesterday to my coworkers. Hi friend, can I have a minute to talk to you? I just wanted to apologize to you. Yesterday I hurt you in meeting by blaming you. I could have taken responsibility myself. Hereafter I will prepare myself better by talking responsibility professionally. Mm, mm. I deeply sorry about that. I value our working relationship with you. Is there anything I could do more? Just let me know. So you can apologize like that. John, do you have a minute? I wanted to talk to you about yesterday. John, okay. Peter, look, I went too far. Now there are some question answer. How do Peter and John know each other? They know each other by company. That's why they had a meeting and they worked together. What happened in the meeting yesterday? So yeah, Peter was very angry on the John. He was just blaming him. And how does Peter feel about his behavior yesterday? Because he was apologizing, he was feeling very bad. I was not good with him, so he apologized to him. How does John react to Peter's apology? He reacted, oh, it's okay. Don't give it another thought. That means it's okay. Mm, it's no problem. Let's practice in the heat of the moment. There are 5 phrases. In the heat of the moment, do you have a minute? Be way out of line. Don't give it another thought. This one is on me. So you have to match with the next two others column. So in the heat of the moment, that means when I was angry. And next is, do you have a minute? Can I speak to you now? Be way out of line. Behave in a bad way. Don't give it another thought. It's no problem. This one is on me. I will pay. And next is rewrite the sentences. So with the one of the using one of expressions above. I behaved very badly when I said you were stupid. I was way out of line when I said you were stupid. Put your purse away. I am paying for this meal. Put your purse away. This one is on me for this meal. I am sorry, I forgot your birthday. Oh, it's fine. At my age, I try to forget about it myself. I am sorry, I forgot your birthday. Don't give it another thought. At my age, I try to forget about it myself. Can you spare me some time? I need to check a couple of things. I could do. Do you have a minute? I need to check a couple of things. Charlie said some terrible things when he was angry. Charlie said some terrible things in the heat of the moment. See how we used in the heat of the moments when he was angry. So now you can do this all the fill in the blanks. This one is a little easy. And here is like student A apologize by following conversation pattern and ask to speak your partner. Say what you did wrong, apologize for what you said. So you can do this. Hi friends, can I have a minute to talk to you? I just wanted to apologize to you. Yesterday I hurt you in meeting by blaming you. I could have taken responsibility myself. He, Hereafter I will prepare myself better by taking responsibility professionally. I deeply sorry about